an analytical review of the literature on online professional development for teachers and tutors, presented by Jane Feener as partial fulfillment of the course requirements for Education 6610. Online professional development refers to Internet-based learning opportunities which can include educational courses, activities, workshops, resources, and online interactions with colleagues, instructors, and mentors. The changing landscape of the 21st century requires today's teachers to be lifelong learners who are continually developing new skills. Traditional face-to-face professional development for teachers and tutors who do not live close together has been difficult to plan and provide. In contrast, teacher professional development that is delivered online has helped many organizations to develop programs which take advantage of computer-based technology to create learning environments that allow professionals to access training from a remote site and learn at their own pace. As part of the analysis, 15 sources were selected from 10 peer-reviewed educational technology journals and 5 educational technology books. All sources include an electronic medium and had the words online, web-based, and professional development as part of the title. Furthermore, the studies had to include research participants, which excluded meta-analysis and book reviews from the analysis. All the studies were identified through database searches of both ERIC and Google Scholar and ranged from 2004 to 2010. The nature of the studies in this analysis contained a variety of features. The most common delivery method of the courses in the studies was in the online format, using either a synchronous or asynchronous discussion format. However, 2 of the studies did follow a blended format. The participants were all teachers or tutors, with most of the learners being K-12 teachers, with 2 studies having graduate students. The number of teachers and tutors in the studies ranged anywhere from 8 up to 421. The subject matter studied was teacher education, mathematics, reading, and science. The purpose of this analysis was to identify similarities and differences, to identify patterns and search for common themes on online professional development. The analysis of the 15 studies revealed 4 main themes regarding online professional development. These themes were flexibility, communities of practice, effective learning, and challenges of using this technology for online professional development. One theme identified is that online professional development has the potential to offer its participants flexibility. Using an online medium can make available to educators anytime, any place professional development. Furthermore, online professional development courses, which are asynchronous, allow educators to complete coursework either at home or work and to log on anytime, day or night. Similarly, a synchronous course format allowed teachers an opportunity to interact, collaborate, and gain knowledge from other like-minded educators without having to travel. In addition, online professional development offers flexibility to teachers and tutors by providing them with choice over which courses to take, as well as allowing for self-paced learning. Personal preference by the participants to choose courses that dealt with specialized topics relating to their particular area of teaching is a benefit of online professional development. Likewise, the ability of teachers and tutors to have the convenience of working at their own pace was an attractive feature of participating in online courses. Another theme that emerged about online professional development is that it supports a community of practice. A community of practice can develop collegial contacts, facilitate sharing, promote collaboration and reflection, as well as reduce isolation. However, a community of practice can also experience challenges in the online medium. A community of practice can help teachers build a network of collegial contacts from which they can receive support. Teachers can meet new colleagues and share new ideas. Online professional development can promote collaboration among teachers by increasing communication and providing the opportunity for diverse educators to work together towards a common goal. Online professional development courses facilitate the sharing of information within the communities of practice, as well as helping keep teachers up to date with current developments in their field. The discussion forum in online courses was used for requesting advice and help, giving notices, disseminating information, and making social exchanges. Furthermore, beginning teachers supported each other during their online course through the use of the online discussion forum by offering words of encouragement to each other. A community of practice is an effective way to develop a professional learning community. The formation of the professional learning community can be achieved through video conferencing as a type of face-to-face synchronous online discussion, and through face-to-face discussions with colleagues in a school community of practice. However, initiating a learning community can be difficult in the online learning environment and even harder to maintain after the courses were completed. Another theme evident throughout the results is that online professional development is effective. Participants reported an increase in both content and pedagogical content knowledge. Likewise, the use of a blended online professional development course promoted learning among online participants as they were introduced to new ideas and challenged to further expand their knowledge. Furthermore, online professional development was shown to improve teaching skills. Teachers engaged in online PD were exposed to new ideas as to how to teach, which made a positive impact on their teaching. Similarly, teachers felt that through critical discussion of issues, they were sharing ideas as well as problem solving with other students, which helped to further improve their teaching skills. Another way that online professional development is effective is that it increases teachers' use of technology. Teachers gain more favorable views and proficiency with using technology after completing an online course. Teachers not only improved their content knowledge, but they also became more tech-savvy because of their involvement with online professional development. Teachers reported that they became more capable to integrate information communication technology and understood the appropriate teaching methods for ICT integration after completing an online course. A final theme related to online professional development that emerged from the analysis is the challenges faced by this form of learning. One challenge raised by participants is the issue of their proficiency for using technology. Teachers felt that the unpredictable nature of internet connections was a shortcoming of the online course structure. Furthermore, a number of other barriers can exist to online learning, such as access issues, unfamiliarity with the medium, and a lack of confidence by participants to express their personal views in the discussion forums. A final challenge raised in one of the studies was whether or not this form of professional development has really been successful in achieving all the goals set by some online professional development courses. Online professional development is a viable alternative to offer professional development to teachers and tutors. A major benefit that online professional development offers over traditional face-to-face professional development is flexibility. The ability of teachers and tutors to choose their courses, work at their own pace, and at any time was valued by participants in the studies. Furthermore, online professional development is an effective way to deliver professional development. Results show that online professional development leads to improved knowledge, teaching skills, and reflective thinking. As teachers move into the 21st century, online professional development is a model which fits well in today's fast-changing educational climate that demands teachers to continually learn new content and teaching methods. Furthermore, there was some evidence to suggest that being part of a community of practice in an online professional development course offers benefits to participants. This formation of collegial contacts in online professional development is important because it allowed teachers and tutors to share information and promote teacher reflection. However, there is evidence to suggest that using technology in online professional development courses can pose difficulties to teachers and tutors. Issues with students' proficiency with technology can hamper students' ability to be successful in the online forum. Moreover, it can be difficult to form an online learning community and even harder to maintain it. There is a need to support teachers as they use online professional development by providing support staff to assist with technical problems and act as mentor teachers to encourage collaboration. There are a number of limitations which may have affected the results of this analysis. For example, the studies used different course formats. Two of the studies included a blended course format which may have provided different results than if the articles had focused entirely on either online or face-to-face interactions. Another limitation is that the analysis of the studies included both tutors and teachers at both the K-12 education system as well as at the post-secondary level. The use of post-secondary students and tutors may have affected the results. Moreover, references to tutors could have been excluded, which would have then left online professional development to be examined as it related only to teachers. A final boundary that could have been changed was to either look only at studies that contained discussions which were either asynchronous or synchronous in nature. Both of these types of discussions were included in the 15 studies that were examined, and the use of different forms may have impacted the analysis, especially concerning the results on a community of practice. A number of implications for online professional development emerged from the results of the analysis of these studies. First, there is a need to provide more support to teachers taking online professional development courses. This support may be accomplished by helping teachers to learn how to use the technology and providing support when there are technical issues. Second, the role of a guest expert or a mentor teacher is seen as helpful in facilitating reflective thinking in the forums. Finally, many of the studies highlighted the importance of a community of practice. Therefore, there is a need to look for ways to get more students to participate in the forums so that the forums work more effectively. The results of the analysis of the 15 articles suggested that online professional development offers many benefits to teachers and tutors. Online professional development provides teachers and tutors with flexibility, a community of support, and an effective learning environment. However, this analysis has also shown that there are challenges that are presented when using online professional development courses as a way to deliver professional development. The findings from this analysis can be helpful in the design of future online courses.